Right, so in a previous video I said I wasn't going to show you how to change little O-ring. How hard could it be? However, changing a washer isn't quite such an interesting video. It turns out harder than I anticipated. Alright, so the first thing we need to do to change this O-ring is to pull the bonnet open. And herein lies the problem. The handly bit to make it challenging. So the two options available to us is to find the end of the cable and try and pull that, or the other one is to try and somehow break into the bonnet by unattaching the latch. So somewhere in there is a cable. So we're going to try and pull this out and then cut at this point. And hopefully it's a cuttable material. So if we cut back here, hopefully there's still some cable back there and it'll allow us to grab hold of it. So can I pull that? Ow. No. So, broken cable. So what we're going to do okay, so hopefully that went. Yeah. Good. And now to change that flat O-ring that I was talking about earlier, you simply have to take the cap off and remove the old one, which is really brittle, and then if you fold the O-ring in half, and you can slip it over the little tabs on the cap, and then you just put the cap back on, and it's really, really easy. If you really enjoyed this sort of video and you want me to make more, please remember to subscribe and like the channel. It helps my motivation immensely, and I will hopefully see you all next week in the next one.